Hey guys, welcome back. Here is an update of what I've done in the last few weeks. I finished up getting the timing redone on the Tiguan, and it's up and running. I got a few more things I need to finish up to get it back on the road legally. I am working on a set of headlight wiring harnesses to convert from halogen to HIDs. Once all the components come in, I will be doing a video on how to make the harnesses so you can convert from halogen to HID. I will be starting the R32 engine build here shortly after I finish up some small loose ends on a few of the other vehicles. The headlights for the Jetta, I finished up, got them installed, and they were fabulous. They really light up the road at night now. Big difference for retrofit from halogen to retrofit HIDs. I'll show you guys some daylight video of them here installed on the vehicle.